Alrighty, we're gonna show you guys how packed it is in here. Due to the windstorm that we're having, it has knocked out
the mall's dead soon.
The power to the traffic lights. That guy almost hit us.
That was on him.
The mall is out. A lot of businesses are out. Joys of having a windstorm that's 90 kilometers per hour. Hi dude, you're blocking my view. But yeah, as you can see, no power.
And the cops do know about it.
And yes, we talked to the cops. And they do know about it. And they have no clue what caused it.
The power, or the wind.
The windstorm, they figured. Which makes sense.
Well, no one's going on. Sorry about your luck, but fuck.
You snooze, you lose.
That's the way it looked like.
Oh my gosh, look at that poor Canadian flag. It is so torn. And it was not like that yesterday.
And these lights are flashing.
Oh boy. Huh. Interesting. And how these ones are working. Must be on a different line. But look, watch. You can see that traffic pole is literally bouncing. So much for doing grocery shopping. Pitch black.
Every store's out. Look, that sign says no power. See? No power. Closed.
Wow.
They're closed because the only reason Staples is open is because they're getting. No
power.
They're only getting deliveries.
Yeah. People here are freaking blowing away. I've never seen Walmart's parking lot so empty during the day. Wow. Oh, hold on. See, there's no power. Oh, let's see what the sign says. Yep. The sign says.
Sorry, closed due to no power outage. See?
Oh wow. And some don't, which is really weird.
That place is dead. That's usually open.
Oops. Oh gosh, I zoomed in. I know. Yeah, all of these are out. No power. Even McDonald's. Rotten Ronnie's.
Rotten Ronaldo's.
Gas is free?
Gas station too.
People are crazy. Whoa. Some people just don't care. Holy shit. I had that on camera too.
It's sliding. Big guy. Thanks, truck. I like you. I appreciate you.
I have never seen this so empty. See, look. It's pitch black. Power is out here as well. And this is the mall.
This is the mall. They don't have a sign there, but